Hello student, I am Professor Sagar Mohite. First of all, happy Raksha Bandhan and Narali Purnima to all of you. Today we are going to discuss some updates of Institute of Distance and Open Learning of Mumbai University. Mumbai University has started ATKT exam form for the October-November 2021 examination. You already know that TYBA and TYBCom examination form already started by university from 17th August 2021, and tomorrow is the last date for filling TYB and TYBCom examination form without late fee. Okay, and with late fee you can fill the exam form from 24th August to 30th August 2021 for TYB and TYBCom examination. Okay, for TYBCom and TYB examination. Okay, and for MA Part 1 and Part 2 examination, for MA Education and MA examination, university has started filling the examination form, ATKT examination form from 20th August 2021 to 26th August 2021 without late fee. Okay, and from 27th August onward till 3rd September 2021, you can fill exam form for paying extra rupees 100 at the late fee. Okay, and one more thing, you can also apply for the class improvement if you have already passed the examination but your percentage is not percentage is not enough for your future examination or future courses, then you can apply for the class improvement. Okay, for that you have to pay rupees 1275. Okay, but remember that when you apply for the class improvement, you need to apply for the both the part, that is part 1 and part 2. Okay, you can't apply for the class improvement for only one part or part 1 or part 2 only. Okay, you need to apply for both the part, that is for first year and for second year as well. Okay, so you will need to give examination of 8 subject, that is part 1 4 subject and part 2 part 2 4 subject. Okay, and for that examination fee rupees 1275 for first part, and for the second part 1525, that is including rupees 250 convocation charges. Okay, this is for MA part 1 and part 2. The exam university also started examination form for MCom part 1 and part 2. Okay, same examination dates are there, same situation or same conditions for the class improvement. Okay, and examination fee is also as per the subject fail. Okay, if you fail in one subject, your examination fee will be rupees 450. If you fail in two subject, your examination fee will be 710. And if you fail for more than three subject or more than three subject, your examination fee will be 1275. Okay, as per your subject fail subject, you can apply for the examination form of November 2021. From 20th August 2021 to 26th August 2021, you need to apply without net fee for MCOM Part 1 and Part 2. And from 27th August 2021 to 3rd September 2021, you can apply for the examination form with late fee of rupees 100. Okay, for Part 1 as well as for Part 2. Okay, and one more thing, you need to uh, apply online examination form from this website, these two three website. And if your login ID started from D21FF, then you can directly apply for the examination form. But if your login ID is started from D20 or D19, then you need to create new login ID or new registration. You need to apply with new registration. Okay, so make it sure that your login ID is D21FF before applying for the examination form. Okay, next, university has also started MSc Maths and MA Maths examination form. The examination dates are same like MA and MCOM examination form dates. Examination fee is also same for class improvement also. The fee is also same for MA, MCOM, MSc, Maths examination fee. And university has also started examination form of SYBA and SYBCom, FYBA, SYBA, FYBCom and SYBCom examination form for annual pattern scheme. Okay, those who have applied before 2021 year, their examination pattern is annual pattern, and those who have applied from 2020-21, their examination pattern is a semester pattern. So those who have taken admission for FYBA, SYBA, FYBCom and SYBCom before 1920, they can apply here. And that means they don't have semester pattern for their examination. They can apply from 18th August 2021 to 25th August 2021 without late fee for October-November 2021 examination, and with late fee of rupees 100 from 26th August 2021 to 31st August 2021. Okay, the fee here also, the fee is as per the subject fail. If you fail in one subject, fee will be rupees 240. If you fail in two subject, your fee will be 415. If you fail in three subject or more than three subject, okay, that means if you fail in three subject, your fee will be 850. More in four subject, your fee will be same 850. If you fail in six subject, at that time also your fee will be 850 only. Okay, and here you can see 340, that is 240 plus 100. Okay, late fee. Okay, so this is the update for of the examination form. Many students are asking for the admission update because admission is started for only for TYBCom and PGDFM, TYBCom, TYBA and PGDFM examination. Okay, there is no any other update regarding other admission, that is MA, MCOM, FY, SY examination. Okay, but we can assume that the university will start the admission of the other program in the first week of September. Okay, so apply for the examination form if you fail in the fail in subject, or if you want to improve your class, if you want to improve your percentage, you can apply for the class improvement. Okay, thank you very much and best of luck. Thank you.